Okay, today we're going to do a beginner's level presentation file. So the first thing we need to do is open new and go to standard IPN, which is the presentation file. Hit OK. And the animation file will open, and when you hit create new view, hopefully I have an assembly already made. Here it doesn't find one immediately, so I got to open my tabs and go to train assembly. This is an assembly with multiple parts, so I open it and I'll hit an automatic explosion. This will cause all the parts to separate. Hit distance of 3 inches and hit OK. And now if I want to play this animation, I hit animate and play. And that's it for beginner level presentation files. Okay, today we're going to do a second level presentation file. If you haven't seen my first video, I recommend you to go look at it. It's probably in the W drive under IED for students. So the first thing we're going to do is hit new, standard IPN, and create view, select my train assembly again, open. This time I'm going to do a manual explosion method, nothing, and hit OK. So here is my train. Now the steps to making the wheels move is very difficult because I have to have the wheel move, the axis move with the wheel, and the other wheel move as well. So to do this, you have to hit tweak component. With the tweak component tool, I select the center of this wheel, and then I have to select the components that I want to move with this wheel. So I select the wheel, the linkage peg, and the linkage arm. And I have all the components spin at 360 degrees. And then I hit OK. And now all the components, if you see here, have the 360 degree spin. Now I can hit clear. Now if I have this animation go, the linkage arm would move with the wheel. However, it won't keep the angle connected to this linkage arm, this linkage peg. So what I need to do is select the direction, go to the center axis of this, select the component, which is the linkage arm, and have it as well spin 360 degrees on that axis. Great. And then now I have to do the last piece, which is clear, direction, center of this wheel, and select the components I want to spin with this wheel, which is this wheel and the linkage peg, and do another 360 degrees. Check. That close. Okay. So I go to animate and open down the animate tab. I can highlight all these and decide to group them. If I hit apply, then the grouping feature will apply. Move this back up and see what happens when I play it. As you can see, the wheel and the linkage arm move together. Now, one thing I wanted to do is close this and delete the visibility of the actual trails. So now when I animate, it looks like a fluid motion. Now I want to see you try for the other side. That's the end of our presentation file level 2, and check back in the future for presentation file level 3. Bye.